Hello traders, welcome to this video on the UF2018 Indicator for MT4. This tool uses blue and red vertical bars in a separate window to give you a clear visual read on trend direction and phases based on its internal calculation. I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now the UF2018 indicator appears in its own sub-window beneath the main chart as a series of vertical bars highlighting the trend in the main chart. Blue bars, as we can see here, represent one side of the trend condition, while red bars represent the opposite side. Now, if you might be wondering, the blue bars represent bullish trend, with the red bars representing bearish trend. So you can immediately see which side is dominant in the price charts, whether bullish or bearish, based on this indicator. Clusters of the same color suggest a persistent trend strength, while frequent alternation between the blue and red bars visually points to more choppy or indecisive market conditions. Now let's move over to the settings. We have the bar end setting, which controls how many bars the indicator processes for its internal logic, influencing how much recent price history is reflected in the vertical bar sequence. A smaller bar end makes the trend feel more focused on the latest action, while a larger bar end incorporates a broader context. The ZZ period parameter reflects or relates to the underlying zigzag style component the indicator uses, affecting how sensitive the UF2018 is to swings and turning points, with shorter ZZ period values responding to smaller swings, while longer values focus on larger, more significant moves. Now, if you're wondering who is for, the UF2018 indicator is suited to traders who like a visual trend filter that separates trend phases using simple color-coded bars in a sub-window. Because it is built from historical price swings, it can lag at reversals and may alternate colors frequently in sideways markets, which can be confusing if used by itself. It works best as a confirmation tool alongside your main chart analysis, support and resistance, and street risk management rules rather than as a sole basis for trading decisions. You can find the download link for the indicator in the description below. You can also read more about the UF2018 indicator for MT4, see example charts, and explore additional usage ideas at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.